Hey y'all, it's T. Welcome back to my channel where I share all things home related and lifestyle. So in today's video, I am tackling a couple different things. I am starting off in the kitchen, tackling those areas that are easily missed, easily forgotten about, which are behind the refrigerator and those trash cans and trash can cabinets. Those are the areas that we just you don't see them often unless you go looking. So that's why I'm pulling things out and getting all of this dust, dirt, trash, all of the things taken care of. So grab your favorite drink, snack, or your duster and let's tackle it all together.
And it never gets hard enough for ya. You've been enchanting this heart of mine for the longest time. Slow dancer, you stun me up with all your romancing, and it's making me weak like no one else, like there's no one else in the world. I'm under your spell, baby. This is our time. The dance floor is jumping. Move me tonight, boy. You got something that makes me feel like I'm at the top of the world. Spin me around and around, and this is our time. The dance floor is jumping. Move me tonight, boy. You got something that makes me feel like I'm at the top of the world. Spin me around and around, yeah. Dance with me. The music is making me so dizzy. I need to give in to the strong rhythm, 'cause I'm beginning to break free. Be here with me. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Be here with me. This is our time. The dance floor is jumping. Move me tonight, boy. You got something that makes me feel like I'm at the top of the world. Spin me around and around, and this is our time. The dance floor is jumping. Move me tonight, boy. You got something that makes me feel like I'm at the top of the world. Round and around, yeah. I'm at the top of the world.
So if you need a long brush or just a long object to get in between tight spaces like this, check Home Goods. This is where I got this extra long dryer vent brush. It came in a pack of 2 for $6, and it's so much better than me trying to get my cleaning cloth down there, trying to fish it through and then clean in between those tight spaces. This was a definite game changer, and it took me no time to get it clean. And so this is another one of those areas. If you have one of these trash can cabinets, it can get messy rather quickly and often. So you guys know that we have 2 young ones here in the house that are constantly putting things in the trash. Of course, they're going to miss the trash. Sometimes we miss the trash can. But like I said, you really don't know until you actually pull these trash cans out. I don't take the trash out, so it's just when I go in and check it, because it's not an area that I see a lot without the trash can being in there. So I'm getting it together right now. And of course, I am using some warm water, my microfiber cloth, and my favorite cleaner, Pine Sol. Y'all, I have to have my Pine Sol, okay? I just have to have it. Very quick and easy clean up, and just like that, those 2 areas are back on track. So moving on to another day of cleaning. This particular day, the first thing that I tackled was our master bedroom. So I just gave it a quick little refresh using a lot of the items that I already had on hand. I did purchase one new item. I'll tell you guys about that once I get to it. But our bedroom is also on my list to redo because, like I have told you guys, the glam decor and things like that is not my style anymore. So I am slowly going to be getting rid of the items that are glam in our home. But for now, it will do because I have so many other projects, smaller projects that I am working on. This one is a much bigger project, so it will be saved for later. So the main things that I wanted to get done is some dusting, and then I'm going to switch out the curtains and the bedding. So usually for the spring and summer months, I do like to have lighter curtains and bedding just to make the space feel more light and airy. I love that feel, especially around this time of year. So this is something that I wanted to do ever since early in the spring, but I just never got around to it. And since I have been off from work, y'all, I have just been running, trying to hurry up and get this done, trying to get that done, because before you know it, the end of July will be here and it will be time to start off the brand new school year. And I'll be back at work. So my time is running short. And is it me, or did the month of June just fly by? Oh my goodness, it's going to be July next week. I just cannot believe it. And these sheets that I'm using, which are my favorite sheets in the world, which are the Milani sheets from Amazon. I bought a set couple years back, and it's the only sheet set that I have been buying ever since. And so if you have been waiting to shop any of the favorite items that I show in any of my videos, I always have them linked down in my description box, my Amazon storefront. And right now these sheets are on sale for Amazon Prime Day, and there is also an additional 10% off, so you can grab these for probably about $31 per set, which is an amazing price, especially for king size sheets. So the comforter that I'm adding on the bed right now is called the Mellow Comforter. And if you're on TikTok or probably even Facebook, you've seen it going viral so many times. I know I have. So I bought mine off of the TikTok shop when it went on sale over there a couple weeks ago. I've already washed it, dried it, and it is so nice, fluffy, and soft. And it sleeps really well too. It's not too hot. We really like it. So I didn't put my duvet cover on it yet because I'm going to try it out how it is right now. And so far, so good. It has been working out really well for us. So I was not aware that this was sold on Amazon either, but it is, and it is on sale for Prime Day. So you guys can check it out. I will have it linked in my description box if you are interested in getting one for yourself. So none of this is sponsored or anything like that, but I know you guys trust my recommendations. So I like to put you guys onto things that I have found on Amazon or things that I use that I really like. I don't gatekeep over here. So if you are new here, I like to tell you guys where I got things from. So this blanket I got from Target. I know you guys have probably seen these everywhere. I have been wanting one for so long. It went on sale probably about a month ago, I believe, and I have just been holding it because I didn't get around to putting it on the bed until now. Already washed and dried it, and it washes and dries well too. So you can pick this up at Target if you shop there, if you are interested. So those gray and gold pillows that I've already placed on the bed, you've probably seen them before because I took them off of the guest bed downstairs. They came from Home Goods and I added them here. The big pillows in the back, I purchased from Amazon, as well as the pillow covers too. For the curtains, I am just taking down these black curtains. These came from Home Goods a while back, and then these shears I bought from Kohl's a while back, when we first moved into the house. So I've had them for probably about 5-6 years now, and I am just recycling these because I am not going to buy any curtains right now because I'm not sure exactly what I want in here. So I'm just using what I have, and these still get the job done. Nice, light, and airy. Moving on to the movie room, I wanted to get some light dusting in here and also get it nice and restocked for our movie days and movie nights. We have been having quite a few of them since summer break started, so it's always so nice to have all of your snacks upstairs. That way we are not running up and down the stairs for snacks.
Up and leave. Take a lot of courage just to live out your dreams. Bigger picture I could see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe. Time don't move backwards, it speeds to the future fearlessly. Charging forward when I open my mouth, though I may not know how. I know I was born to sing. I'm good. I'm good. Actually, more than good. Kinda great. Even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave. When I'm 123, really wish that all my heroes would notice me, so I could be one of the greats on a big stage, inspiring people to pray and give thanks. 'Cause somehow we made it. We're always protected while building our legacy. Travel the world, raise baby girls, marry my best friend. I'm manifesting, but not concerned. 'Cause whatever happens, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. Actually, more than good. Kinda great. But even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave. Brave, 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 brave. Oh, brave. More than good, kinda great.
So that brings us to the end of this week's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope that you found some ideas and some motivation to get some things done around your home. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this week's video, and I will talk to you all in my next one.